Oh man, I'm feeling real good up in here, guys. Oh man, bruh. No wonder everybody likes building these fucking audio builds, man. You get high really cool, yeah. I mean, I don't even need any weed, man. This shit making me high as a kite, bruh. So far, I got it. Let me shine a light up in there. Woo, woo, woo. Like Parker said, woo, 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 woo. Yeah, I got it on the sides up in there. I went all up in here. I put epoxy up in that corner. That should be good enough. That's half a gallon. And I got the right there. And I said, little skinny ass Miller. Well, he ain't skinny, but he can get his little young ass up in there. Over in that area over there. I ain't hell to the no. I ain't doing that shit. I don't hope not. But yeah, you can see I done all this shit proper like, and I did the underneath of it too. On the bot right where I'm laying. So half a gallon went. Half a gallon's about a 1/4 inch thick. And I jacked the car up. The car's jacked up over in one corner. What you gotta do, guys and gals and eyes, if you ever do this, you want to jack the car up and make the car level. And the only way to really do that is to check different places on your baffle. I'm probably telling you people shit that you already know, but fuck, I'm telling you anyway. Because some people don't know, man. That's just the way it is. You assume people know shit and they don't. I assume Jerry could put a damn fitting on, but he can't. Uh, he waited that show, what you call it, I don't even know what the hell it was called. Didn't look like much of a show to my ass. No, it didn't look like shit going on, I didn't think. What do you call it? Halloween trick or beat or something. I don't know what the hell it was called. I can't remember all these damn dumb names. Yeah. No, this is the odorless kind, man. We use the odorless kind. This is not really strong. No, it ain't bad at all in here. Don't get that shit this high powered that'll burn your nose hairs. No, I'm not high at all. It's just shit. This is called a low odor. And it's really not strong at all, man, for real. So, let me get that brush up off of there. All I did is pour it in there, just use these little shitty brushes and wipe it through. Get it all good. If you put it on too damn thick, it's gonna have drips and shit in it. But that's pretty good, man, over here now. If I can just get that other side, I'll get Miller. I might have to see if I can just stick him down in this hole. Or whatever. I'll have to pull that sub anyway. Over there. So we'll see what happens. You guys take care. Have a great day. Oh, I did get that damn glob of shit that was stuck over there. Miller was fucking around with that. And he got it all gummed up with a paper towel. He's trying to stop drips when we poured that epoxy in the roof. And man, that epoxy and stuff is hard. Hell yeah, it's hard. I had to take a damn chisel and cut that shit out. I'll show you right quick. I had to take a chisel over. See, I got the car jacked up over here just in this corner because it's kind of got to go at an angle the way the driveway is. But Miller had stuffed about a damn half a roll of paper towels in here to try to keep it from dripping. I took a chisel and chiseled this out. This shit is hard as hell, man. We just gonna fiberglass this all up right through here. This is the cracking that I talk about all the time. Guys, that shit's hard. I mean, you can't even put a damn dent in it. No, you can't hurt that shit. That's why I always say use it. It's good stuff. And this Vibraflex shit, I'm gonna put fiberglass resin or something over that. See, that's the cracking. That's hard. This will get soft, and this will stay hard. And we'll repaint the top and all. I'm gonna try to do fiberglass on it, make it slick. Might have to buff it or something. And I'm thinking about doing something different with this baffle because it started turning yellowy looking. I told Miller, I said, man, I might do it black and something. I don't know, might try to get a little creative with it. We'll try to fix these wires and shit tonight. I can't do that by myself. Somebody's got to hold the outside while I unscrew the inside, because the inside nut is what's spinning and the outside nut really ain't doing shit. Wear gloves when you do this kind of shit too, because you'll get shit like that all over your skin and everywhere. If you ever get on your skin, get that xylene shit and it'll come off. I'm gonna take my sander and sand them spots down and smooth it out with a buffer. I think that's about it for right now. I can't do really much more till this dries. And I'll start filling all this shit in and sanding it back down and fill those holes. Those are the same holes we've used every time. You see there's never been any more holes started. But if you put the cracking liquid nail in that, which is basically like a liquid nail, if you put it in there, it'll seal up good, man. It'll be just like it'll be like a virgin hole, real tight. You really got to push it in with that screw lube. All right, guys, take care. I think I'm gonna call it a day. I'm gonna go take me a power nap. I gotta work after a while. See you.